Most people are ruining their broccoli before they even cook it. They're storing it wrong, washing it wrong, and making a huge mess just trying to cut it. But with a few simple techniques, you can keep your broccoli fresher, cleaner, and easier to prep, without the frustration. Let's start with storage, because this is where most people go wrong. Broccoli is highly perishable because it's still alive after harvest. It continues to respire and constantly loses moisture. The most common mistakes people make is tossing the broccoli loose into the fridge or sealing it in an airtight bag. Both of these are problems because the trapped moisture creates the perfect environment for spoilage and mold. Here's a better way to store broccoli. Take a slightly damp paper towel and wrap it around the stem. Then place the broccoli in a loosely closed or perforated bag and store it in your fridge's crisper drawer. This method works because it creates the perfect balance. It maintains humidity, which prevents wilting, avoids excessive moisture, which reduces spoilage, and slows down condensation, which minimizes microbial growth. With this method, broccoli can stay fresh for up to 5 to 7 days. Another great storage option is to treat your broccoli like a flower. Start by trimming about a 1/4 inch off the bottom of the stem. This removes the dry, sealed surface and allows it to absorb water again. Next, fill a glass jar with water and place the broccoli upright in the water. Then, loosely cover the top with a plastic bag. This step is key. It traps just enough humidity around the florets to keep them from drying out, while still allowing airflow to prevent mold. Finally, place it in the fridge, ideally on a middle shelf where airflow is more consistent. Make sure to change the water every couple of days. With this method, your broccoli will stay fresh for weeks. Broccoli is notorious for hiding dirt and sometimes tiny insects deep inside their florets. And one of the biggest mistakes people make is giving the broccoli a quick rinse and then calling it clean. The problem is, a surface rinse doesn't reach inside those dense florets, so dirt and debris can stay trapped. Here's how to wash broccoli properly. Start by filling a large bowl with about 8 to 10 cups of cold water. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Place your broccoli florets into the water and let them soak for about 2 minutes. This quick soak allows water to penetrate deep into the florets to dislodge anything hiding inside. After 2 minutes, lift the broccoli out of the water. Now give the florets a final rinse under cool, running water to wash away any remaining salt and residue. Finally, it's time to cut your broccoli. If you've ever chopped into a head of broccoli and ended up with crumbs everywhere, you're doing it the hard way. Most people cut straight through the top, and that's exactly what causes the mess. The florets break apart, scatter everywhere, and you're left with uneven pieces. Here's how to do it without the mess. Flip the broccoli upside down on your cutting board, so the crown is facing down and the stem is facing up. Now take a closer look. You'll see where each floret connects to the main stem. That's where you cut. Use your knife to slice each floret off individually, right at the stem. It's simple and easy, and now you will have clean cuts, minimal crumbs, and evenly sized florets, perfectly prepped. And there you have it, the complete guide to mastering broccoli. Next time you pick up broccoli, don't just toss it in your fridge and hope for the best. Store it right, wash it properly, cut it smarter, and you'll get fresher, cleaner, better-tasting broccoli every single time. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more kitchen secrets that will save you time and money. I also want to hear from you. What's your biggest food storage challenge? I always read all the comments, and your question might just be the star of my next video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!